Hi friends, this is Kriti sharing with you pivot table in Excel. Excel pivot table are very useful and powerful feature of Microsoft Excel. They can be used to summarize, analyze, explore and present your data. In plain English, it means you can take the sales data with the columns like month, region and product wise revenues and use pivot tables to quickly find out how products are performing in each region. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a pivot table using Excel. Now let us create our first pivot table. For this we have to create a normal data table. So for this we are going to Excel, click on Start, Microsoft Excel 2010. Well, it is taking a lot of time. It might be a bit difficult to understand how it works, but believe me, if you see this tutorial, then the idea of pivot tables, pivot reports, pivot charts becomes quite simple to you. We'll just maximize it. Yeah. Now we have to create a table for this. For this we will give months, region, salesman, product, total sales. Well, that's it. Now you can see here the columns are the size very small. So for that you can just drag it over here. Drag it over here too. Now months we can drag it. January. We can just use the shortcuts also for dragging it till okay. We'll take it till December. We can also double click over here so that it auto fits the column region. Region Mumbai, Pune, Ajmer we can write. Now we can also select both the three and just drag it till where I have written down the values of months. Salesman you can have various names. Products we can have or else cell phone. Products we can have more laptops, and also we can have iPads, which are generally used now these days. We just select all the three and just you can also double click over here so that it returns to autofill. Double click towards the column D so that it autofills the column area. Total sales we can have anything. And we can just select both the numbers and just drop it down. Now this is a general table which we have created to create a pivot table. Okay, now this table we have created, it is a very complicated one, right? So we have to make a pivot table so that it simplifies it. The table which we have created, it could be long also. This is only till 25 row number, but we can create a pivot table so that it summarizes it. So for creating a pivot table, we have to go to insert, pivot table. Now as you click on pivot table, it displays a dialog box which shows you two options: choose the data that you want to analyze and choose where you want the pivot table to be replaced. Okay, so this area is the only one which we have selected. You can see it, A1 to E25. This is A1 and this is E25. Okay, so this area is of what region of what range you have to make a pivot table, and where you have to make a pivot table, you have to choose it from here. We choose existing worksheet and we just click on any one of the cell so that the pivot table starts from the region which we have selected. Click on OK. This is the area where we have to make a pivot table. Now we have to put in the fields like months, region, salesman, products and total sales. These 5 fields we can put it here also, or else we can skip out salesman if we don't want it to be here. So I'll put it months, region, I'll skip the salesman field, product and sales. Now as you see, the sales one is in the values region, number of total sales, right? And the rest of the months, rest of the fields, months, region and product is in the row labels. Same you can see is seen here also. This month, region and product is in the rows, and rest the values are placed on the right hand side. Okay. Oops. Now if you want, you can interchange the fields also. Suppose you want month wise products, so you can do it that. If you want region wise, so you can put you can just drag it region towards the first option. So see here you can have a look. Ajmer has only March, June, September, December as months, and only iPads are sold in Ajmer in only 4 months: March, June, September and December. Whereas in Mumbai, January, April, July, October has only cell phones sold, and Pune has laptops sold in February, May, August and November. So you can brief it out that how many these products are sold in how many regions and how many months. Now if you want this month field to be in the column, so you can drag it to column labels also. So what happens is, in columns there are January to, let's drag it to the right hand side, December. This has months in columns, and we have both regions and products in the rows. If you want, you can interchange it also. Put the months in row only, products you can have it in the column. Now this is looking a bit like we can understand it in a better way. Like in Ajmer, only iPads are sold in these values. None of the cell phones or none of the laptops are sold in Ajmer, and the months in which the iPads are sold are written down here. Okay, we can also use this report filter if you want. Just drag one of the field in the report filter. Suppose we have a region in the report filter. So what happens is, this region field comes down over here and it displays, like if you want to select the multiple regions. Suppose we don't want all the regions to be displayed, only I want Ajmer and Mumbai to be displayed in the pivot table. So we can select both the options and then click on OK. So only the sum of Ajmer and Mumbai which we have selected would be displayed over here, not the regions or not the months of the regions of Pune. Okay, if you wanted to select all, you can select all. So this is the profit, like if you want to select months also, you can also have this, and products you can display it here. Months, like in only January what is sold in. Okay, now in January only cell phone is sold and the total is 5,000. Total is the total sales of the cell phone is 5,000. Okay, so this is how we create a pivot table. If you want, you can select all, and you can have the pivot table created as we created before, like months in row, regions in column. You can also have this way, see, cell phones in the rows and regions in column. That means we have 3 columns of region: Ajmer, Mumbai and Pune, where cell phones are sold in Mumbai, iPads are sold in Ajmer, and laptops are sold in Pune. Okay, this is how we create a simple pivot table.